Why people open up around the table. There's something that happens when people slow down together. Not just eating, actually slowing down. Voices soften. People listen more closely. Stories replace small talk. This experience creates space for that. Because no one is rushing. No one is performing. No one is wondering what's next. The structure holds the night, so people feel safe enough to settle in. If you want deeper connection at your table, not forced, not awkward, get the cheese-centric experience at bayericheeseschool.com.